Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Ketuk Panci. Here I will presentation about some material business entities in business activity. Introduction: business entity represent the institutional foundation of modern economic activity. They are not merely organizational tool but structure, legal and economic system that shape how resources are allocated, risks are distributed, and value is created with a market in a global economic characteristics based technology, acceleration and competitive intensity. The role of business entity as beyond profit generation to include social responsibility, environmental stewardship, and long-term sustainability. Classical economic theories such as Adam Smith's theories of division of labor and cost theory of Dufresne explain that business entity are reach to the reduce transaction cost, improve production coordination. Contemporary organization theories future emphasize that formal business structure enhance accountability and strategic clarity, allowing enterprise to function as stable actor within an increasingly complex economy ecosystem. Conceptual and theoretical foundation of business entity. A business entity is a legally organized body that has the capacity to own asset, increase liability, and enter contractual relationship independent of interest founder of owner. From a legal perspective, the doctrine of separate legal personality distinguishes the entity from the individual behind its, creating a framework where right and obligation belongs to the organization itself. From an economic perspective, business entity function as a mechanism to organize production under condition of security and competition. Theories such as institutional economic stakeholder theory and agency theory provide systematic explanation of entity manage conflict of interest, like incentive and balance efficiency with accountability. This theoretical foundation explained by formal business entity are preferred over informal arrangement in achieving sustainable economic outcome. Historical evolution of business entity. The development of business entity can be traced back to early mercantile partnership and trade with the management of facilitate long distance commercial. During the Industrial Revolution, the complexity of production and the needs for large-scale capital investment led to rise of joint stock companies, laying the foundation for modern corporation. Over time, legal innovation such as limits liability and transferable share enable wider participation in ownership and accelerates capital market development. In the contemporary era, the emergence of hybrid entity reflect the needs of for organizations from that can respond to regulatory complexity, technology disruption, and social explanation regarding corporate behavior. Solve proprietorship in business activity. A sole proprietorship is characterized by single person ownership, full managerial control, and limited personal liability. Economy This reflects entrepreneurial theory, where the owner functions as both the rights bearer and the decision maker. Sole property sources are highly prevalent in macro and small scale enterprise because they require minimal legal formalities and allow for operational ability. However, they reliance owner personal capital and credits worthless limits grow potential and expose the business to high financial vulnerability. Empirical studies consistently show that will solve proprietorship dominant in terms of number. Their contribution to large-scale industrial output and relatively limits compared to more complex entity. Partnership as a collaborative business entity. Partnership represents a collective form of enterprise which two or more individual research, expertise and strategy perspective. This entity tips and governed by mutual trust and formal agreement that define profit sharing, authority distribution, and liability structure. General partnership imposes limited liability on all partners, while limited partnership introduction differentiates risk exposure. Organizational behavior research highlights that partnerships tend to exhibit higher innovation potential due to diverse cognitive input by fast coordination. Challenge when governance mechanisms are poorly defined. In professional sector, partnership have proven to be highly effective to their ability to integrate special human capital. Corporate as a separate legal personality, the corporate represents the most structural event from a business entity, featuring separate legal entity, limits stakeholder liability, and perpetual existence. Corporate governance framework emphasizes the separation of ownership and control, with introduction agency problem between stakeholder and manager. To mitigate this risk, corporation rely on mechanisms as board of directors, audit commitment, and disclosure standard. Capital market theory explains the corporate result facilitate large-scale capital mobilization through the issue of share and bonds. Their ability to operate across border, enjoy merger and acquisition, and diversification makes corporation central actor in industrial and financial development. Limits liability company as a hybrid organization model. The limits liability company was developed to bridge the structural gap between partnership and cooperation. In offer limited liability, profession will maintain any flexible internal governance. Member can source between central management and participatory structure depending on strategic objective. From a tax perspective, often benefit from fast-track taxation, reducing the risk of double taxation. This hybrid nature makes LCD particularly attractive to small and medium sized enterprise seeking legal supervision without excess administrative complexity and thereby supporting entrepreneurial system development. Corporate as member oriented business entity. Corporate as fundamental different from profits maximizing entities because they are the system and economy and social need of their member. The government principle of one member, one vote reflect democracy control, reflect the capital dominance, economic, social, explain cooperative as instrument of collective enforcement, especially in rural and marginalized communities. Suppose generals by cooperative are typical rent-based or district based on member participation rather than ownership share. Empirical evidence suggests the strong cooperative system are associated with more equitable income distribution and social cohesion. State-owned enterprise and public sector business entity. State-owned enterprise (SOEs) operate under government ownership and strategic policy direction. The entities often function in sector characteristic by natural monopoly or high capital intensity, such as utilities and transportation. Public sector economic views SOEs as corrective mechanism for market failure, ensuring equitable access to essential service. However, governance challenges such as political interference, operational inefficiency, and weak performance incentive require about institutional control and transparency accountability framework to ensure long-term effectiveness. Operational function of business entity. Business entity perform as a force core operational function that structure economic activity. They organize research into productive process, manage supply chain, and distribute goods on service to market. Financial management, it is allocation capital, manage liquidity, and optimize investment returns. Risk management function include depreciation, insurance, and contractual risk transfer mechanism. Financial structure and capital formation. The financial architecture of a business entity determined in its capacity to grow, invest, and withstand economic shocks. Capital structure theory explains how entities balance their equity to manage the cost of capital while maximizing fair value. The backing audit suggests the frame feature internal financing before seeking internal funding, while trade-off theory emphasizes the balance between tax advantage and bankruptcy risk. Selective financial structuring ensures creditworthiness and strategy flexible in volatile market conditions. Corporate governance and ethical responsibility. Corporate governance refers to system of rules, political and process by which business entity are direction and control. Governance structure and decides to align management action with stakeholder interests and regulators requirement. Business entity in global business activity. Global has expanded the operational scope of business entity beyond the domestic market. Multinational enterprise offers complex network of subsidiaries, joint venture, and strategic allies across multiple jurisdictions. International business theory highlights the importance of location advantage, overnight advantage, and international advantage in determining global expansion strategies. Cross-border entities must navigate the visual legal system, cultural environment, and economic condition. Digital transformation and business model innovation. Digital technology have fundamental to the structure and function of modern business entity. E-commerce, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and blockchain have enabled new business models such as platform-based enterprise and economic organization. technology substance model and innovation division to always expand how organization adopts and integrates digital tools to enhance productivity and customer engagement. Business entity that fail to adapt to the digital transformation fast increase competitive risk and decreasing market relevance. Sustainability and environmental accountability. Sustainability business practice have become integral to the strategic practice of business entity, development, source, and governance framework with organization in measuring and managing their non-financial performance. Consortium business entity are central pillar of modern economic system, providing structural mechanisms for managing production, managing risk, and creative value. The evolution reflects the need to balance efficiency, accountability, and adaptability in changing economic environment. A cinematic understanding of business entity enables stakeholders to make informed decisions regarding organizational design, governance, and strategic development. In the context of rapid technology advancement and global competition, the future effectiveness of business entity will depend on their capacity to increase innovation, ethical governance, and sustainable practice into their operational and strategic framework. And thank you all for watching my presentation, and I end. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.